What is happening?
Whoa!
What is happening?
Whoa!
What is happening? What the?
Cheddar!
All that mischief and curiosity is just their way of scouting things out.
You.
Why are you not the one getting sealed away? Why is it me? So annoying. The concept of out of reach applies to everyone, except this buddy. When you're trying to find some peace, but the world won't stop pestering you.
You psycho!
You're posing exactly in a way that triggers your friend's hunting instinct, buddy.
You.
The ultimate way to multitask, getting hydrated and cleaning your face all at once.
Jump! Go! Go, baby, jump!
Bro really shows off your failed mischief right in front of a legendary troublemaker. Only those who are confident in their flexibility would dare to try these risky stunts. Peekaboo, don't think about filming me secretly. This is why cats usually handle things themselves instead of asking for help.
Stinky no. Stinky no.
I said stop. I said stop.
Has your human been sitting around so much that you've started mimicking them this perfectly?
That bad, huh? That bad, huh? Bruh, you're just gonna bury the whole thing, bruh?
Never tell any secrets to this big-mouthed guy. So this is how gentle buddies start a fight. 0 damage. Are you dreaming about entering the Infinity War or something, huh? If they suddenly go quiet, it's just the calm before the storm.
What the fuck was that?
笑死我了，这个丑猫。
You're teasing a small space lover like me? I love it. Take this.
Stop.
Here's the fierce battle for the ownership of Human.
Oh!
If this buddy's neck is flexible, you just know it's thanks to goofy activities like this.